My name is Jason Stasic. We're here in my studio, the Pumpkin Palace on Vashon Island. I've been writing music here. I'm a film composer for about 15 years. At a certain point, I realized it was difficult to continue playing live rock and roll on the road, and I knew that the things I was writing were destined for something else, short pieces of music, and I made the connection to film. I mostly work alone here in the studio. I sometimes have an intern who works with me, and then often I will bring in specialists to play instruments that I don't play, but it's usually just me and computers, which is amazing. With instruments and computers, I can do a lot of stuff. I became intrigued with Setapp because it's kind of like a bag of little treats, right? And it's got all these little things that you don't know you need. You click on one, and you find, oh, that's pretty fun, and you get hooked on the first one. Click on the next one. Ah, that's pretty fun too. You realize it's only whatever a month, it's not that much, and you get these little treats coming to you all the time. For those who don't know how Setapp works, let me give you a short idea here. You can access Setapp from the menu bar. So I can launch it here, and I can also get it from the dock. It brings it up, you see the whole thing. This is my dashboard, so Setapp is showing new apps that it's recommended for me. And then I can also always look at all apps over here and scroll through everything to see what is available, or take a look at different categories: lifestyle, creativity, developer tools, productivity. Let's see what we've got for productivity. BusyCal, let's see. Interesting, should I install it? Yes. Setapp surprises me all the time. Prismo just surprised me. So you can take screenshots with anything, but Prismo takes a screenshot and actually OCRs the text for you. So now I can take a screenshot and get the text, copy and paste and edit that stuff. That surprised me. I've never seen that. On this second machine over here, I'm working on a project. I have Pro Tools running, and I'm going to use Mosaic to put Pro Tools over here on the left side of the screen so that I can see Forklift on the right. So I'm going to take Forklift now and use Mosaic again to put it on the right-hand side of the screen. So Mosaic has just now arranged the screen for me perfectly. I didn't have to drag any edges. Actually, I'm trying to turn my wife onto Setapp right now. She is a graphic artist, and Setapp has a couple of great things for managing color palettes. She doesn't even know she needs this yet, but I have a feeling when she sees this, she's gonna go, aha. I know very few people who use Setapp, which is a tragedy, but I am an evangelist because it's the thing that has all the apps that you don't know you need. And what happens now, I used to go to Google looking for apps that I wanted to do something special with. Now I go to Setapp first, and I usually find that I already have it. I don't have to go find another app.